Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on background video in Spotify. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open the Spotify application. So I do not have doesn't actually have such a background video. So let's say I'm going to this playlist, and as you can see there is a cool video playing in the background. Now let's say you do not have this, so that could mean two things. Well, the first one is like I explained, with the other one is that some songs, usually all songs, do not have that. But if you know that song has the video, so then there is a problem inside your settings. So what you can actually do is go to the home page and go to the settings in the top right corner. Once you are there, you are going to play back right over here, and then scroll a bit down all the way to the bottom. You can see canvas and it says display short looping visuals on tracks. Now if I for example disable that, you can see that the video now disappeared, and when I enable that, you can see the video is there straight away. So that's where you want to look out for the canvas display short looping visuals. You want to make sure that is enabled, and then you can see that you have the video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.